I was actually trying to do it.
Fun fact, I actually spoke to Scribs on the phone one time, you know. My cousin, he's from South, and he made me talk to Scribs on the phone one time. That's what made me just like go fully into this drill shit. I was like, fuck fam, like, real youth them, you understand? Can't stay, I'm leaving, hard to cool, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see goals, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the gal, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me gal. Pon the 400 quick, believe me gal. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me gal. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice now, you don't know say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency rocks, Adele. And today, we have Don't Call It Road Rap, a Noisey film, full length. Now, I just watched Noisey Birmingham, the Unstoppable Rise of Birmingham rap. You understand? Sick video, go check that out. And enough other videos. I did the sad story of Harlem Spartans and London's postcode wars. And you understand? You understand? After Skepta Top Boy and Noisey Blackpool comes out. Okay, anyway, no. For this one, Mike Skinner. That's the guy's name from the Brum one. Mike Skinner, man. Big up Mike Skinner, man. They were saying, oh, legend, this, that, that. I was like, I don't even know who Mike Skinner is, but everybody rate him. So big up Mike Skinner. Check my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just jump into it, man, because the video got long as it is already, so I don't want to talk too long in it anyway. Noisey.
They don't want niggas on the screen talking about I'll shoot you and this and that. The guys are actually coming from the streets with violent content and they're trying to do something good. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.
Aye, live cone. Live cone. Bro, you can see me moving in my chair. I'm getting hype right now, you know, bro. This is me, bro. You understand? Right, bro. This music is different, bro. I'm telling you, just listen. Out here trying to eat a meal. Whole nights looking in the field. All some other niggas, they not shit feel. Best skirt. I feel it for the wheels. Free little ding dong, skidded on the hills. Okay, kill. Now my niggas won't squill. Say they won't war, nigga. So I roll around with that force, nigga. This was the Splash and Cash video there. Look. This is Splash and Cash video, bro. I remember this scene. Splash and Cash. That's RP Biss. That's Miz and Biss and ST and R6. Yeah. So I roll around with that force, nigga. That's probably R6 right there, bro. The fucking ugly ass thing. Like, I don't want to get yinked up for that, but R6 is an ugly guy, bro. Screaming 6-7K. I'm a smoker us to a 4. Yo. Why do they have him throw it up? With that force, nigga. Screaming 6-7K. Dog. I'm a smoke. The nigga, what did he do? Nigga went like this. What is this? I don't know. Maybe it is an actual thing, but him look like him blending still. Black Air Forces, black tracky, black jacket. Yeah, him blending still. Man, they show the gang signs, and he's just there. Anyway. To a 4 nigga, M roped up and he's buzzing. Screaming out if he's up, then we burn him. We in RB, we don't know about running. Section boys. This is the Junction man them. Yeah, OJB, original Junction boys.
Man, want niggas in the hood off the street and winning. You know what I mean? So let's win. It's simple. Stop fucking about.
Stop fucking about. But Gigs, you know the youth them atted already, cause you was one of them atted niggas back in the day, and the SN1 gang spare no one. You know the man them was on smoke, bro. So don't do that, bro. You know it's just a never-ending cycle. Don't do that.
My gun, fuck with the six get burned. No point trying to run. M got the Mac in it.
Sounding like a drum. You know my niggas won't talk. Aye. Bow, 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 bow.
I've always
bow.
been fascinated by
Step correct with that whap. Aye, you know with just a new black. Aye, no funeral, man's turning up trying to whap. Hey, listen.
music from the streets of the UK. From rave to drum and bass, to garage to grime, to dubstep. The way this island creates scenes out of nothing. No music school, no funding, no facilities. If you wanted something, you had to do it yourself. Pure self-belief. I was lucky enough to work
That's what I need, bro, some self-belief.
with some great grime MCs when the movement started. And then a few years later, gigs seemed to come out of nowhere, spitting the hardest bars and most uncompromising stories from the streets. Giggs was the first real UK gangster rapper as far as I'm concerned. We did a tune together called Slow Songs back in 2009. Listening to Giggs eventually led me to Corleone and a few others. At the time we called it road rap. It was very underground, and I figured it always would be. I mean, the lyrics and imagery weren't exactly family friendly.
Yeah.
But then a new version of hard London rap started to pop off.
Yeah.
On places like GRM Daily and
Link Up TV.
Just when grime started to have its resurgence in about 2015.
JME. Look how he's spitting, bro, man's energy. Oh, man. Sorry.
Just when grime started to have its resurgence in about 2015. Maybe the sound of the music is too hard or the lyrics are too violent, but mainstream media weren't really paying attention. Certainly not in the same way as grime.
Yeah, definitely.
I kinda became fascinated.
Let's lurk, bro. What you mean?
By it. It was one of those undeniable things where the numbers proved that so many kids were so passionate about this music.
I was one of those kids, bro. In 2016, 15, when the niggas dropped like Slurk, bro, I was like, yep, I'm there for it. I'm here for everything. Even live corn and Skengman and, you understand? Like, bro, and Take It There. Like,
music, regardless of mainstream media exposure. But could it really explode in the way grime has? Given not just the lyrics and imagery, but some of the pasts of the rappers involved. And it seems some were still battling to leave the roads behind.
The roads behind.
The Brixton Hill Drillers are blowing up in a big way, but their rise hasn't been without controversy.
Gang.
I went
60.
to their area to meet the men behind the headlines.
Drillers.
In particular, the man behind the mask.
Wanna take it there,
We could take it there.
you want.
Skeng in a 4-door truck. Up block, take it there. Bow. Up block, take it there. You know he's gonna rake it there.
Break it.
Most of the team in Joe still getting paid in there, getting paid.
Niggas know how we got
Got down days, how you gonna make it fair?
How?
Same when we got down Capo, you can never make it fair. Niggas know, wanna take it there, we can take it there. Skeng in a 4-door truck, up block, take it there. Bow, up block, take it there. Bow. Too high.
Tomorrow.
Where?
Damn.
LD wears a mask at all times to protect his identity, and so they say. He is also standing in for Scribs, who was banned by the police from making music.
So, I mean, are we all right filming you without your mask? I guess it would be quite difficult getting
Yeah, it'll be hard to film and get my shape up with the mask on.
It was to do with the police, right? You getting a mask. Is that right?
Yeah, well, someone else that got in trouble with the police. I just basically started rapping for that someone else. They didn't want me certain places in Lambeth and Scribs as well. Obviously, they say that he's a danger to the public, which ain't true.
You know what's funny to me, bro? Because they're the same person. And the cops know that they're the same person. So, and then even in some songs, man say, no way, these jigs can prove who I am. I'm like, Scribs, I can prove who you are, bro. I can literally take a picture of you without the mask and you with the mask and show the liquor part that show your face. And just be like, yo, that's Scribs, blood. And everyone knows that's you.
So you damn ready now?
Damn ready, of course.
Amsterdam
Of
ready.
course. You know me, I love the buds.
I agree. Ed.
So how's it happening with the business side? You're independent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that important?
To me, yeah. I'd rather go through the highs and lows with my peoples than do it with other people, with outsiders, you get me?
To me, that is really different. When I was young, every rapper...
Fam, does he have on a Canada Goose? The man like him, literally, they were blending. Or is it that how he always dresses? I don't know. But it looked like him were blending still with a Canada Goose.
wanted to get signed.
Everyone's trying to do the independent thing now, and everyone sees that everyone can get views and build something off their views, and that's all. Again, it's kind of easier now.
Because you don't get money from YouTube, really, do you?
YouTube's chicken change. The real money is the show. But that, we've got the feds just shutting it down every minute out of nowhere. Yeah. We all finish our little probations, whatever. Like, everyone's clean and all of that, calm. They said that our shows can go back on. Then we got the Leicester, that was the next big thing. We found out like 2 days before the show, can't go, saying we can't even turn up to the venue. So it's all long.
What is the one thing about you that people think that isn't true?
That I'm a devil. They think I'm a devil. I'm a flipping good guy. I'm a family guy. I just do what's right for the family. You get me? Even if I have to do wrong to do right, I'll do wrong to do right. It all makes sense in the end, you get me?
You see what I mean? And that explanation right there just basically tell you what the roads is, fam. If I have to do wrong to do right, I'll do it, bro. I'll have to do it.
3 one-shot kill. They can't stop them clocks. G-Money got guap like Tesco tills and...
Man said free one-shot kill. Jesus Christ. One-shot kill. Mad.
One-shot kill. They can't stop them clocks. G-Money got guap like Tesco tills and corner shops. Bro put flattered ones in the 4s. Now man gon' skirt and crash it at ops. Big bells and that dots.
I was kind of familiar with you probably for about a year. When Let's Lurk dropped, that's like such a big tune in the clubs now.
Pedestrians, how you gonna do man dirty? Got things on things that were lurky. Get bricks and bricks on the plug. Cause you know that my team's 30. How you gonna do man dirty?
So
Got
yeah,
things
just like
and things
talking about the music, obviously.
Bro, you see, bro, I can't. They should have a try not to sing along drill challenge, bro. I could not. Fam, give me 2016, 17 drill, and I'm singing along to everything, bro. I promise you. Give me all a song with all 100K views, and I bet you someone sing along to it. I bet you.
It comes from like Chicago drill and...
It started from there, like when we used to listen to that in 2012, 13.
Yeah.
Obviously that's the times I was banging, Chief Keef and all that.
Yeah.
Obviously the music kind of died down. I think a lot of them go prison and that.
Like from the outside, you know, you're rapping about like selling drugs, shooting guns. Compared to a lot of forms of music, it's aggressive, right?
8125 is what I'm whizzing.
What I'm whizzing.
I couldn't give a fuck about prison.
Fuck
Went
prison.
jail for some guns, now I'm out. I'm still with it.
Aye. Look how he's smiling, bro. He's glad, fam.
Went jail for some guns, now I'm out. I'm still with it. You see, I never listen. No, cause I'm above the law. That time got ridden.
Because I'm above the law, that time got ridden. What? You're not above the law, bro.
But listen, no, cause I'm above the law. That time got ridden.
But you have to like read between the lines almost, because like being a positive influence in music, it isn't just about rapping soft shit, is it? Because if you start rapping like soft stuff, actually people will just stop paying attention.
Like someone's actually told me that when they're angry,
Yeah.
they put 6-7 on and just get all their aggression out, just vibes to the music. After a while, they get tired and just turn it off and they're calm.
Yeah.
Coming from London, like, it's a hard place.
So that same person could turn on 6-7 when they're angry and go on a ride out, and then when the ride out's done, they're calm. But yeah, that's you know what I'm saying? Just be careful.
We never woke up and said, yeah, we're starting a gang for destruction and whatnot. We woke up one day and said, yo, we could do this music thing properly. We're hard. Everyone's onto the music. Let's get this foundation properly done and excel.
I was impressed with how switched on Dimsy was. 6-7 might be seen as the most dangerous crew in UK rap, but to me they seem really focused on making a career out of music.
I mean, really and truly, technically yes, because I mean, free ST just got 8 for the WAP. But other than that, everybody's basically free now, except LD. But LD coming out next year. So we're not really worried about nothing that'll go good, bro. You understand? Just know when LD forward out next year, bro, I might just turn the channel into a 6-7 channel, bro. I might just, you know what I'm saying? I'm kidding, bro. May I wait for LD forward out still? We need some new music.
6-7 are one of the UK rap acts that are getting their shows shut down because of fears they will turn violent. Is there proof there is more trouble at these events? A risk assessment that promoters have to fill out so venues can gauge if the gig will be high risk to public safety. The 696 seems to target shows that are MC-led rather than DJs or bands. But why? Is there proof that there is more trouble at these shows? Or is it more about the criminal pasts of some of the performers?
So we've been hanging out with 6-7. They seem to be the sort of current 696 flavour of the month, as far as I can see. What's the strategy? And
as it stands, 6-7 is high risk. The tour collapsed kind of one by one. So it's like London withdrew first, and then Birmingham called a few days later saying, oh, we've seen London's been taken down. It's a bit of a knock-on effect. Yeah. So what conversations had been had behind closed doors in between, regional authorities, I don't know. And we're never told. Yeah. This is the thing.
Yeah.
Primarily live shows is the...
Bro, the man them just try... bro, that's what I can't understand, You're singling them out because of their past, and maybe the show might turn violent or because they are violent themselves or whatever, but they're trying to do something to get away from that. So you have to stop them from going to the show to get some, legal income, which is just forcing them to go back to the same place that you judge them for, to do the same things that you're judging them for, and end up in the same situations that you're judging them for. So that to me don't make no sense.
The way a lot of these people are eating.
But at the same time, I also understand people don't want, gang members coming to their venue and fucking shit up. I get it, bro, but it's like both sides are just fucked.
So it's just like, if you're really serious about making proper money,
you have to tour.
Yeah, you got to tour, because you're not going to be selling records. How many of these need to get cans for? You realise actually we need to think of a way to be more productive collectively to let these shows happen. Because as I said, each year there's more and more shows coming in, more and more people want to tour and play it. They should be allowed to do that.
6-7 have hit a few stumbling blocks on their journey, but there is proof that guys from the hood rapping the hard shit can reach a huge audience. Section boys from down the road in Thornton Heath are in their own lane.
Thornton Heath.
In a short space of time, they've headlined Brixton Academy, played the biggest European festivals, and performed at the O2 Arena with Drake.
And now, where are Section Boys? Bruv, I don't know. They came out with a fire, Mad About bars last year with Swift, Leaks, and another one, the black guy. But boy, Section Boys need some help. Well, what them name now? Smoke Boys need some help.
While never compromising their sound. Like many people in the scene, it seems, they're trying to get away from their area. I didn't think they'd be this far out, though. Where the fuck are we? Like, really, where the fuck are we?
But leaving the ends did work for them, fam, because they just went out and they were just creating. I remember watching their snaps back in the day. It would just be a bunch of man in the yard, burning zoots, making music, dog. You understand? So even though them not as hot now, but I'm sure them still do them thing, make them money. You know what I'm saying?
10 shot, peace now, I don't care if you messed up. Tell the nigga better be round and forget no. Fuck your dead squad, and your CV, and your CD, and your best dog. I just put a hammer down in a pen block. I just put a banger down in a desktop.
The kicks on the carpet, man. Really and truly, the shoes should be off with it, but DP and Littles that live here have got their trainers on. Not setting a good example still.
DP and Littles. Yeah, DP, that's the nigga's name, DP. He was the next one that was rapping. It was Swift, Sleeks, and DP.
Let's say I was in the Section Boys, right?
Yeah.
and I wanted to.
Yeah. Now, firstly, what man does
What would I do?
certain man pick them up,
Yeah.
and then from they get in the car,
Yeah.
blindfold and music.
Are you being serious? Yeah.
It's more for our safety.
Thank you for not blindfolding me. I mean, how long have you had the house?
Fam, man saying blindfold the birds before letting them in the house, fam. I believe him.
I would be so chilled if I lived here, like.
See, when man's out here, yeah, it's peaceful. Sometimes man's coming in from the roads at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Man's pulling up. It's pitch black out there. Obviously, like, not being scared of the dark. I don't want to say it on camera, but do you know what I mean? Obviously, maybe like ghosts and that. Ghosts, but that's about it.
Man said the only thing you have to worry about around here is a ghost. And then in Thornton Heath, man have to worry about everything, bro. 6-7 is right up the road, bro. You understand? You know I'm going nowhere where 6-7 is right up the road. Nowhere.
With some up faces in a naughty house. And I don't like strangers, so don't.
I'm a big man for this. I'm a big man.
You into like the road rap guys, like the.
That's what we are.
I didn't think you would call yourself that, like.
We're diverse in it with our rap.
Yeah.
Obviously, like, it's originally like trap rap, etc. But I don't want to be known as grand rappers, man's rappers.
Obviously, like for a lot of, and I'm talking about like road rap
What you know about Lock Off? Is it?
rappers.
Big up Edge.
Obviously, there's like a transition, isn't there, between making money in the streets and obviously not. Do you have to make sure that everyone around you isn't doing anything naughty?
Well, man, them know how to move correct. That's all. On that subject, the man, them know how to move correct in it. Get me?
Do you ever like worry about getting into arguments with other people that might sort of drag you back?
What the like going back to the road stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, people draw people out, innit? Like, it's just the world, bro.
Are people trying to get at you like that?
No comment.
Yeah.
No comment, man. It's a life we live, though, innit? Gotta adapt and survive.
And they are adapting and surviving. You don't really hear nothing go out with the section boys like that, and I'm sure, you know, their road origins are still, you know what I'm saying, tied in, but look like Swift never to, Sleeks never to with other brother, they look like he want to ask me other questions. You see it, should ask them like a different, but I like, the questions are right.
The guys hit Twitter to announce a super secret last-minute show in East London. Tickets sell out in less than an hour.
Ayo,
Despite
little
their
man,
success,
what you know about Lock Off?
Section boys grind like they've just entered the game.
When we do road act, man, everything lock off.
What?
Everything lock off.
What?
Everything lock off.
Everything lock off, we getting lit. Champagne
Pop off.
Trying to get
Voila.
pop and them man
Run off.
Roll with the brocky.
Onto the brocker.
Plastic youth, them a fake like
Tucker.
Talk to the feds, got enough man lock off. Free TK, TY and rock off.
What? Everything lock off.
What?
Section, man, them. That music in particular, it lifts people's mood up. You're on the vibes. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What? Everything lock off. Come on, man.
Man, like, big shock, you know? Fam, the UK is just full of stars, bro. Look how much talent we've seen so far, bro. It's insane.
When we do road act, man,
They put a video out, 500,000 views in a couple days.
Jay-Z was a crack dealer, but now he's banging Beyonce, and his kids have got trust funds that are like in the 300 million.
It's inspirational to someone like myself to see people that come from the same background and can be able to build up, you know, a hype for themselves to the point where, you know, they're requested. They're not doing small shows. They're doing festivals. It's absolutely sick.
Sick.
I don't know how you can't be inspired by that. You know what I'm saying?
After Section Boys' success, a whole new generation of talented young MCs are trying to leave the streets because they're seeing it's possible to make a proper living off music.
That's it, you know, that niggas just want some money, you know, that, some bread to survive, blood. But when you go tell a man for go get a regular job and he see these niggas over there not in a regular job but having more fun, it's hard to convince him to get the regular job, bro. I'm sorry, bro. My brain, I'm still trying to wrap my head around the roads fully, bro. I still don't understand. What I mean by I don't understand the never-ending cycle. That's what I don't understand. But anyway.
The talent coming out of South is serious.
Serious.
One of the newest crews are OJB from Battersea. I
Junction.
spoke to my plug, Scorbeezy.
Scorbeezy.
All right, mate. How are you?
Yeah, good. Where this documentary thing started, really it came about from the fact that like everyone talks about grime, but no one really talks, or they weren't talking about rap.
I think a lot of people put rap into a grime category at the moment as well. So everything's grime these days, I don't understand.
Yeah, and it's not, obviously. I mean, can we just talk about like what you came up on?
I was more listening to American music, to be honest, like Styles P and that. We didn't used to listen to bare English rap, you know what I mean?
I feel like most kids now listen to British music, right?
Yeah, all the kids now, that's all they listen to, drill rap. They don't want to hear this American guy.
Exactly, man. Now it's beef, man. Oh, shit. Now it's beef with the American guys, bro, because American guys just mocking the accent and that, man. So fuck that, man. Fuck them. I joke, like, not fuck them, because I'm American. I was born in America, but you see it? Dog. Anyway, man. I'm born in America, live in Jamaica, and I just love England. Boy, there's something wrong with me.
Underground scene's healthy right now.
Obviously, a lot of the people we've been talking to have got like issues with getting shows locked off.
Yeah, that's always gonna happen, man. Especially if you're someone of some sort of, you do something like that, people will just look into that and then it's game over.
When you say someone, you mean like a shot, like a shotter or something?
Somebody on your hands,
The way to like...
You see how them just say like a shotter, like a shotter. It's even the man could be talking about like a drug shotter or actual shotter. But the way how the man them just shrug them shoulders like, he just could be a shotter, man. And the man them just make it seem like the biggest thing. Like, what you mean, bro? It is a big thing. Not the biggest, but it's a big thing.
Like almost be big on your ends.
Is to do rap.
Is to be on YouTube.
It's like, as the industry is growing, people are seeing improvement. People are seeing people actually make money, and a lot more money than people are making on the streets. So it's like, the transformation can happen now. Whereas before, a man said to you, oh, go and do this, you'll get shows, you'll get that. People will look at you like, no way. Now there's a market.
The scene is looking really healthy at the moment, but it's a make or break year, especially with increased police concern on the criminal past of some of the key players. Will they, A, be able to play enough shows to make a living without them getting shut down, and B, be able to stay out of prison?
LD was not able to stay out of prison, bro. I can tell you that now.
One rapper who has a lot of heat around him in more ways than one is C-Biz. The man responsible for the huge street anthem, The Game's Mine.
The shit's a mess, you live a lie. C-Biz, the game is mine. My table's full, we're eating right. I came from jail, they said I'm broke. I heard he laughed, they told a joke. I switched the game in 50 lane. He ate his word, I made him choke. C-Biz,
I linked him at his estate in Kilburn in Northwest.
Killy!
A big man.
This is where you grew up?
Yeah, this is where we grew up.
You know, I literally just watched 18 Clapper video on this. Go watch my... Do I have an 18 Clapper? Yeah, Virus. Go watch my Virus reaction on the channel.
This is where you grew up?
Yeah. This is where 18 Clapper shot the video.
We grew up. Need some champagne or something. Kill me. This is my bloody skidder. Yeah, please, man. So we can be vibes, and you know what I mean, though.
If you look at Gigs, he's like the archetype of like rapping out to get out.
Yeah, get out of the hood, yeah. Am I in that situation? Of course I am. But there's nothing different with Giggs' hood and over here.
Yeah.
It's poverty, it's poverty.
And while we're talking about poverty, should we open the Moab?
Oh, shit.
You see? Mike Skinner, he knows what he's doing, you know, bro. He's kind of taking the piss out of him. He's like, while we're talking about poverty, let's open the Moet. You understand? Like, you say you're poor, but you guys ain't really poor, bro. If all the man them in the hood came together and put all the bands they've made off the road together, bro, like, the hood would be like millions, hundreds of thousands, racks, rich. All those youth clubs that wanna say wanna can build them on themselves. Well, that's if the government would let you know. But anyways, bro, let's continue.
Yeah. Fuck them. Fuck them, man. But yeah, there you go. That's from us to you. I tried to separate like the badness from the music, because that's what we're trying to get out of. But we're in a world where like provocative music sells, or provocative things is actually more of a hype than trying to pour pain in that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When you made the Fresh Out tune, the first thing people said was like you were dabbing out of jail and stuff like that.
Fresh home out of jail, fresh home out of cells. Giuseppe stepping in the court, got me dabbing out of jail. Feds talking about murder, I was chilling with my girl. We was laughing, eating pizza, even talking on my cell. I don't wanna be in cuffs, I don't wanna be in chains.
We've all got to be more realistic here with the situation. It's a very like sensitive situation, topic, and someone's lost their life.
Yeah.
Someone's life got taken. I can't come out and celebrate. I never took the person's life, so I can't come out celebrating and start saying, yeah. But I'm trying to say, listen, I was the innocent person, the innocent party.
Yeah.
So I had to fight my battle as the innocent man. So me coming out and saying, yeah, I dabbed out of jail. I dabbed out of jail because I'm celebrating for me.
You're in that position now where they're trying to shut you down, really. Like, I can't think of any other way of saying it.
Of course, they're trying to shut us down. That's it.
Are they on your Instagram, the police?
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they are. Because when I went court last year, everything they brought us from YouTube, Instagram, and all social media, you know what I mean?
Was it, I mean, it must have got pretty, like, in your head.
That guy soaking that zoo right now is getting ready to go on a ride out, and C-Biz is ready to tell him where to go. And Mike Skinner is there like, yeah, music and road, and yeah. Jado, somebody probably died that night. Anyway, man.
Like what you were facing?
I was facing the top charge, that was it. I was living with people that was doing it. Like, my next door was the fella who killed the police and ate them. Like, the guy downstairs was a murderer, the guy upstairs was a murderer. My next door killed himself because he couldn't handle it. They found him with tea bag stuff down his throat, something around his neck. You know what I mean? People make up ways to kill themselves because 35 years, 40 years, it's not something you want to be doing. Especially when you've got better things to do on the streets and that.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the trap, bro. The trap. Man of the 2-4 them. The trap. The trap's booming, bro.
Like, have you got like a strategy now? I know you said you're going to put out a mixtape.
Yeah, we've got a strategy. Obviously, like, we come together as like a group. ER, the collective, we all kind of get like views and like, we've all got our own fans, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what sort of music people like, so that's what we make.
C-Biz is...
Not gonna lie, C-Biz kind of in popularity kind of gone down since... Yeah, because he was way more popular 2017, 18, 16, you understand? But now him kind of died down and now the younger SSK niggas kind of do them thing. Or maybe, when I C-Biz drop us some, I don't know, let me know in the comments.
More popular than ever, but with the seriousness of the crimes he's been linked to, he's clearly going to have the police watching his every move. And it seems unlikely that he'll be able to play a live show in the near future. One of the most colourful and maybe unlikely characters in the scene is way out in Essex, but has still built a strong following and respect amongst his peers. Man like Potter Paper.
Potter Paper!
15, I was there. When you could have got a jack for your mobile. A man was on to you because you're from over there. Growing up, I saw enough. G gave me thin hair. I used to ride around my hood doing madness. Like if I went Joe, I really didn't care. G, I just knew that I was in it for the man them. And half of them was in Joe or in care. And I just
Welcome.
You alright?
What's good, my guy?
Good to meet you, man.
Hello, my brother.
Hello, my brother.
Basically, this is Barking, this is Gascoigne Estate, this is where I grew up.
The Gascoigne Estate. But, bro, Paul Gascoigne is such a legend. He has an estate named after him. Fam Paul Gascoigne, may your soul rest in peace, my brother. God damn. Legend.
And I see you've got 2 Porsches.
2 Porsches.
That's how we're moving.
This here is the house I grew up in, innit?
Oh, safe, I was going to ask.
That's my primary school right there.
Yeah.
From year 5, if they piss me off, mum's like, don't want to be rude, yeah, I'll come across bad, but I'll just jump over this fence. They never had that big extended fence.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say they put that there for man, but you get me?
Before we started
Yes, they put that there for you, bro. Cause Potter Paper, you know what I'm saying? Mad thing.
Filming, we were talking about self-snitching.
Yeah.
And we were laughing and joking.
Yeah.
But have they ever used rap music in evidence?
I don't want to say names, but I'm pretty sure big rappers that are incarcerated now, they've played their music in trials.
Yes.
Look, take it to America. Bobby Schmurder got convicted of that.
Yeah.
If it wasn't solid evidence yet, then it definitely added to the propaganda of it all, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? All right, cool. Come and walk over to the man them, yeah, but try not to get too much faces, innit?
MOD. Bro, look at these chains, bro. These chains are massive.
I think it's only right we switch it up. Put these rappers in their place.
Mike Skinner, look at that. Fam, he loves it, man. He's taking a piss.
Never slip in your tripping, you think I'm losing. They must have forgot about all
I've got to say that these seats are pretty comfortable, man.
Yeah, this is a company car.
Company car.
MOD car, do you get it?
Yeah. Can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive. I do drive. I'm on a ban, and I ain't got a license. So that's scary.
Well, I mean, I always tell people I can drive, but I don't have the necessary paperwork.
Yeah, that's exactly my predicament.
You see, bro, Mike Skinner, bro, he knows, fam. Originally with C-Biz, man said, yeah, why are you talking about poverty? Let's pop the Moet open. And now he's saying, yeah, I usually tell people I can drive when I don't have no license or proper paperwork. Bro, Mike Skinner is a guy, bro. I hope he has some 2021 documentaries, bro, because he's good.
Dealing with success, I got him stressed, man, I'm a nuisance. Real life shit, they bag my doggy up in Luton, man, this lifestyle gruesome. Terrible like twosome, young offenders institution. Why, oh, why? Why, oh, why, oh.
So, this is where you recorded both training days?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a lot of my freestyles and stuff. That's where I come to write a bit.
Can I ask...
That's a real studio yard, you know, just one bag of drinks and weed.
How you got your name?
I used to be like a proper Mowgli street child. Yeah. Like I won't cut my hair. Do you know what I'm saying? And I had glasses.
Big up Mowgli, big up Mowgli. Mowgli's a hard-ass rapper, bro. You understand? And niggas snaked him. Fuck those niggas who snaked him.
Mowgli, street child. Yeah. Like I won't cut my hair. Do you know what I'm saying? And I had glasses. Yeah. So like people just like, yeah, you look like Pa. So like really I'm just playing with the cards that I've been dealt. For me, it's like just basically get myself across because I don't really look like the type of things that I'm saying or the life that I'm professing, do you know what I'm saying? And you see, like, it's like, you know what someone said to me as well? You know, when you get a car, say if you got a new car, all of a sudden you always see that car on the roads. Since I started rapping and putting videos on YouTube, I always see bare potters on road. Like bare white kids, a bit chubby with glasses, innit? Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's good, man, it's sick, man. You just have to embrace what you are and who you are. Well, I can't change it, innit? I am who I am.
Exactly. Exactly. You are who you are, just embrace it, bro, and just fucking go ham, man. You understand?
You come up by far, man, I used to ring bells, now I'm setting off alarms. I won't get off my chest without letting off those arms. Storm before the calm, man, I'm the calm.
So that's pretty much where we're at. But before we finish up, I have to meet up with my guy Corleone. One of the few to start a musical family and bring people through with his GB collective. He made my favourite street rap record of all time, Poor Little Rich Kid.
Just another rich kid, ain't fucking with no bitch, nigga. Fuck a snitch, nigga. They can get their wig split.
You look well.
Fuck a snitch, nigga. They can get their wig split. Aye, let's see how this goes.
Hey there, bro.
You look very well. You alright?
Nice to see you, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the studio we're in today.
I can't stop looking at your watch. Can we do a circle of rollies? We need like a couple more now.
Poor Little Rich Kid, yeah?
So GB Records is your thing.
Yeah.
Where did it start?
It started in 2000.
Yo, why is that guy stepping like that, bro? Like him have some mad thing for go spit on the mic. Watch it.
Your thing.
Yeah.
Where did it start?
It started in 2014. Like real guys from the streets opening up a label and making a platform for the youth. Like there's loads of kids out there that are talented and there's nothing for them to do. Like the major labels don't care about anyone until they got a buzz or anything. So, but a lot of my artists, majority of them are from the raw streets and they've got that raw talent.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah.
Giggs obviously posted up a thing on his Insta about everyone not standing for each other and everyone sort of trying to win together.
Either put the work in on music or put the work in on streets, one or the other. It's up to you. You know the ones, or you can do both, but just don't fucking talk shit about it and call names and snitch on yourself. Because really, man are slyly snitches, bro. So let's just tidy it up and get the game back to the way it's supposed to be. And whoever wants to get off the streets come this way and whoever doesn't go that way, and let's win.
Would you sort of put yourself in the same...
Giggs wish it could be that easy, bro, but it's not. It's never that easy.
...same place, because you're both similar sort of generation, aren't you, you and Giggs?
A lot of guys feel like they've got to do bad stuff to kind of get out there, or, you know what I mean? It seems to get airplay, innit? Yeah. Like, people seem to like the mix-up and the rap beefs and all of that stuff. It's not like it's just music.
Yeah.
Like, majority of them are trying to kill each other.
And one of the other main things as well that we keep talking to people about is shows getting locked off.
Yeah.
Are the police afraid of the artists being violent, or are they afraid of the audience
being violent. To me, there's like two different things.
I just think the police want to shut you down because the content of your music, and they don't want niggas on the screen talking about, I'll shoot you and this and that. They're cruel because they know that the guys are actually coming from a bad environment and they're trying to do something like really good, and they're actually trying to stop that and push them back to where they're coming from. So I just think that guys have just got to stay.
But our paper looks so serious with that receding hairline, bro. Like, look at his face, bro. Look in his eyes. He will kill you. He'll kill you.
And to stop that and push them back to where they're coming from. So I just think that guys have just got to stay positive and push forward.
Yeah.
Like, fuck the police. If they're locking your shows, keep trying to do shows. Giggs is a prime example. They've been shutting him down for years and he's winning now. For a guy from the streets or a young rapper from the streets with violent content or whatever, like Giggs is what they want to be like, and I think people should just follow in his
And Giggs and 6-7 made the best song in fucking UK drill history.
footsteps. Like, just keep pursuing what you're trying to do.
Newport Road. And never having Newport Road. Yeah, man. Newport Road. Check out that song. LD and Dimsy Depp on that song. I wasn't born on Newport Road, but I was raised on Newport Road. First place that crap got sold. And you see me? Big up Newport Road and big up that song.
Just keep pursuing what you're trying to do.
The Sultan.
It's hard, you know. Look how his balls are all over my balls. I'm gonna clear up still.
Oh. I didn't want to play no more.
Kids are like, they're in like Essex and they're like banging your shit from their cars and stuff. And obviously you can see that they live a very different life to the one that you grew up with. Are you seeing that a lot?
But that's with like a lot of music. Like sometimes I listen to Rihanna, but I don't live Rihanna's life.
No. But you don't listen to heavy metal, do you? Like rock music?
Nah, exactly.
There was actually one song though I used to play. It was I forgot how it goes, man. Let me
entertain you. There we go. It's an exclusive. Robbie Williams.
That is it.
They are fucking with you in Brixton Hill.
What's it? Robbie Williams, they're fucking with you in Brixton Hill. Robbie Williams, they're not, bro. Don't tell them that. They're not fucking with them.
So when you did the Vlad thing, did he want to speak to like the greasiest people or something like that?
That's one thing I don't really like as well, though. Like when you get interviewed, like, I want to talk about the positive stuff, our goals and stuff. I don't really want to be talking about all that stuff. Like.
No.
That's not really the life we're trying to live.
What other mad...
I mean, you say that, but at the same time, you are trying to live that life, though, because it's, you know what I'm saying? You're street niggas, bro, and y'all niggas are proud street niggas, so just say you want to live that life, bro. Just say you want to be a street nigga, bro. Just say that, man.
Stuff do you get from social media, like...
This is one thing I don't like, when people send me stuff to do with drugs and frauds and stuff like that. Like, I get that all the time. I even get some weird girl sending me some dirty nudes, like...
Isn't that good?
Nah, man. Some girls look mad, bro.
Yes, and also a lot of girls are underage and just look over 18, so some girls might be sending you some shit and they're kids, bro. Don't be taking no nudes from people you don't know, bro. I'm saying.
But surely that's why you do it, right? Is to get nudes in the DMs. Come on, man.
What I do is for myself, is to get my family out of here.
Yeah.
Get in a very good financial stability.
Yeah.
And just make more money and build a better community. That's my aims for this. Yeah. It's not because I want to get more girls and all this stuff. I don't care about girls.
I think people see you as like...
I don't care about girls.
Like pretty wild guys, you know. And actually, I think the reality is that you know what you're doing.
Yes, one, they know what they're doing, but two is also the road. So you can know what you're doing as much as you want that, but the roads will always be the roads, bro. You understand? You can't go on like you can tell the roads what to do. Or try go on like you can predict the roads. You can't predict the roads, bro. Just leave it.
Right now, we're still working on ourselves, so I wouldn't even say we're fully established yet. There's still more establishing to do.
when LD comes out next year, mad.
That's what man's always wanted, to make it big. And we're trying to bring everyone that's around us with it.
As youths, yeah, I just always wanted to live with man's brethren and have a yard. You know what I mean? It's been like a lot of roadman, youths on the roads, dream, aspiration. Like, I didn't think it would happen, but man's always thought I want it.
Allow war with each other, allow the beefing. If you're gonna make money, do whatever you gotta do to make your money. It doesn't have to be violent.
Growing up.
Easier said than done, my guy. Too many years of pain and betrayal, bro. You can't just leave it so.
No, you get me? Like, man's mature, man's seen what we could do with ourselves and that, and man's actually trying to do it.
Fun fact, I actually spoke to Scribs on the phone one time, you know. My cousin, he's from South, and he made me talk to Scribs on the phone one time. That's what made me just like go fully into this drill shit. I was like, fuck, fam, like, real youth them, you understand?
So it's been a year since we started filming and things have moved on in a major way. But what's going to become of these guys over the next year? Who will be the next to go clear? CB's just got signed to an offshoot of Sony Records.
All right.
Section dropped a new tape.
All
and they're
right.
going from strength to strength.
Guy.
Giggs isn't just allowed to play live now. He's selling out huge shows.
Aye.
And he's on 2 tracks of the latest Drake record. Corleone released a new banger, and GB Records continue to champion new and emerging young talent. After filming the documentary, Potter Paper found himself back in jail.
He's out
facing
now.
serious charges that could see him serving a long prison sentence. Shortly after that, Skeng, who founded GB Records with Corleone, was murdered outside a barbershop in northwest London.
R.I.P.
6-7 finally look like they have a London show that might actually go ahead, tonight at Fabric. This could really be the start of something momentous. Just don't call it road rap, yeah?
Just don't call it road rap, yeah? 6-7 my brothers, spit no love for my brethren. Bitches be loving the gang. You see it all over my mentions. Put things in the car, let's love. We ain't looking for new pedestrians. How you gonna do my dirty? Got fuse on fuse on lucky. Get big so bits on the plug. Cause you know that my team's 30. How you gonna do man dirty? Got things on things that were lucky. Get bricks on bricks from the block. Cause you know that my team's 30. All of that, all of that, all of that. Gang. Listen, bro, I had way too much fun doing this shit, man. Listen, don't call it road rap, yeah? Call it drill. UK drill. Cause now the man them fully drilling now, bro. There's pages just dedicated to just drill alone, bro. Just drill. You understand? Fucking sick, dog. At least we see where, you know what I'm saying, this shit started from niggas with the explosion of drill. Niggas came out and 2017, I was like, yeah, let's do a documentary. Mad thing. I love this. Big up. His name Mike Skinner. Fuck, they say he's a legend, so you don't know, big him up. From the 2 documentaries that I've seen, he does his job very well. So big up Mike Skinner. Is it? Big up Vice. Big up Noisey. Don't call it road rap. Big up you if you made it to the end of this. I'm not sure how many people go actually watch these videos, because these videos are very long, but you know, say I want to do it. So if you watch it, thank you. Love you. Leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe. And check my other links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.